Apple, a complete overview. 1. Introduction. The apple is one of the most popular and widely consumed fruits in the world. It is known for its crisp texture, sweet or tart flavor, and high nutritional value. Apples grow on apple trees, Malus domestica, which belong to the rose family, Rosaceae. 2. Origin and history. Apples originated in Central Asia, particularly in Kazakhstan. They have been cultivated for thousands of years and spread across Europe, Asia, and later the Americas. Today, apples are grown in nearly every part of the world where the climate is suitable. 3. Varieties of apples. There are over 7,500 varieties of apples worldwide. Some common ones include Red Delicious, sweet and crunchy; Granny Smith, green, tart, and crisp; Fuji, juicy and very sweet; Gala, mild, sweet, and soft; Honeycrisp, very crisp, juicy, and balanced in taste. 4. Nutritional value. Apples are highly nutritious and often called a superfruit. Rich in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. Low in calories, about 52 calories per 100 grams. Contains natural sugars like fructose, glucose, and sucrose. Helps with digestion, heart health, and boosting immunity. 5. Health benefits. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, a famous saying highlighting its health value. Improves digestion due to dietary fiber. Reduces the risk of heart disease and diabetes. Supports weight management by making you feel full. May lower the risk of certain cancers due to antioxidants. 6. Cultural and symbolic importance. In many cultures, apples symbolize knowledge, temptation, and love. In Christianity, the apple is often linked to the story of Adam and Eve. In Norse mythology, apples represented youth and immortality. The apple is also a symbol for teachers and education. 7. Uses of apples. Fresh eating, raw as a snack. Juices and cider, popular worldwide. Cooking and baking, apple pies, cakes, sauces, and jams. Dried apples, a healthy preserved snack. Vinegar, apple cider vinegar used in cooking and medicine. 8. Apple production around the world. China is the largest producer of apples, followed by the United States, Poland, and India. Famous apple-producing regions include Washington State, USA, Kashmir, India, and Normandy, France. White heavy checkmark. Conclusion: the apple is more than just a fruit, it's a symbol of health, culture, and history. With thousands of varieties and numerous health benefits, apples continue to be one of the most beloved fruits in the world.